What's up, guys? So I'm going to be putting an Edwards pulsation right there, probably, and an annunciator right there, and a speaker strobe in here. Not any pulsations out in the hallways, not in the upstairs, not in the downstairs area. So Special Olympics kids won't pull the alarms when they get angry or upset. If they're mad about something or something upset them. And also, there needs to be a lockdown button over there. And we're going to have lockdown buttons throughout the whole house. Have a good day, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications when I post brand new videos on YouTube.